Today we're travelling light. Got Birkenstocks, got my Speedos on, my boardies, the t-shirt just to get me down to the beach. I've got a rashie, so we're going to go on my mal to Neilsen Park from Gibson's Beach. And this is one of the primary reasons that we love this place, is we've got boards on a rack down here. I've already done the SUP adventure, not too much kayak, but I thought, hey, I'll drag out the rescue board, which I barely use, and just paddle it around to Neilsen Park. Won't take long. Enjoy the sunshine. I've been in Melbourne for a week and a half, so I need some sunshine. We'll see how this goes as a convenient adventure that takes 5 minutes to walk to, the beginning at least, and still sorting out the logic of what to leave where. I got this little case, it's got my keys in it, which has got the keys to the house and the keys to the SUP rack. And then I think I'm just concealing this somewhere, putting my glasses inside, because once that's done, I don't need to really see anything except for the on and off button for this GoPro. Then I'll just dump my t-shirt and my Birkenstocks and my towel on the beach. There's nothing you can really steal there. I take my glasses, but they just get water on them. And so I'll basically be paddling out, putting the SUP on. It's a low battery. Well, that's a good start. This is probably not going to happen. The Garmin aspect. This thing runs for days. I think it last charged it about 3 weeks ago, and I haven't even used it, so I'm not expecting too much. But yeah, I'll just be paddling away in sluggos, shorts, a rashie, and this GoPro, and just zapping around to Neilsen Park and then back again. So I've done this before on my route, but oh, fingers. The end of this path / driveway is the rack. We end up above it, and I just have to unlock it, get the mal and take it to the water. So there we go. Right, that's a very good start. So the SUP's half deflated. It kind of deflates naturally over time, and then you got the kayak this side, and you can see I've got it all locked up. And you can see that is my rescue board on the other side that we're taking out. The board's off the rack, and we'll just wander down and put our stuff on the beach and start paddling. Gibson's Beach. Yeah. Silky. I've finally got it working. Let's go. Come around the corner here, this big mansion, and Parsley Bay is around this corner. So I'm going to look at that. And yeah, I've got my rashie in front, so it's not a very nice view. And it's quite shallow here. Went over some big rocks just then. Not on them, but obviously above them. Right, let's go to Parsley Bay. Parsley Bay, that's the bridge. It's fenced off for wildlife. I'm not stopping here, but that only took about, GoPro says the Garmin, 8 and a bit minutes. Paddle over here gives you an idea of how quickly these things go. Taking the rashie off the front, it just looks better. Bit of construction going on there, so it's not as tranquil as it usually is. And you can see like this rock platform in front of me. It's low tide. Look. You could easily stand on that. Yeah, I'll just keep going up this way. We'll chuck a left, get around the point. There's a bit of water that moves around there, but I always stick to, you know, near the land. And it's calm today. Might be a little bit harder going back, because it seems like it's a northeasterly coming in. Let's keep going. Yeah. See how fast this moves when I'm paddling reasonably at a reasonable rate. It actually moves pretty quick, this board. Yeah. See how fast this moves when I'm paddling reasonably at a reasonable rate. It actually moves pretty quick, this board. I was given this board. It's actually just an old rescue board. It's probably from the back. Holy shit! Ah. I'm getting fucking attacked by this. I think this happened last time. Go away, buddy. Oh! Ah. Holy shit! It's funny, like, because no one comes out here and they just sit there for months. They get really territorial, the seagulls. That was almost as terrifying. I thought he was going to peck me, peck my eyes out. Love it. Can't say it's not exciting. Won't go around them lands again. Alright. After that terrifying ordeal, I'm sort of hanging offshore a bit now. That's Vaucluse Beach over there. And then we've got this point here. I just have to get around that one. I actually think it's more navigable than kayak or SUP on this thing, because a lot more control, a lot faster. So just gotta go around there. Maybe when I come back I'll go by the beach. No more freaking seagulls. That was intimidating. You wouldn't think so. On paper, it's a freaking seagull. Okay, here comes a solo paddle mission around this point here. Probably won't talk too much.